Who are you?
Hey, Dr. Wolf.
Dr. Wolf.
Hello, everyone. How does this laptop work? Hello?
Don't touch my equipment.
Excuse me, sir.
What are you doing here?
I want to learn about Forex.
You want to learn about Forex? What do you want to know about Forex?
What is Forex and what got you into it?
What's Forex? Okay, Forex is a money market. And you know how you go to the kiosk and you exchange money? That's basically a type of dealing with the currency. So Forex is a currency market which is worth over $6 trillion, trillion dollar. And that amount of money exchange hand every every day between between the banks. Can you just keep your distance? It's Corona time. You gotta keep your distance. Don't come too close. Stay. So do you want me to answer your question? Okay, so just let me concentrate, right? Forex is a money market worth $6 trillion. It's the biggest liquid money market in the world, which is money exchange in hand between banks with banks. And where we making the money is, for example, something happened in the economy, a very short term. We buy dollar, for example, and then Donald Trump come and say something in a tweet. It teases the economy. Economy goes temporarily goes up, and we use that temporary movement to make profit out of the dollar going up because we have dollar. And then when the dollar goes up, we bought it cheaper and we are selling it more expensive, so we make more profit. When the dollar comes down, we sell the dollar because we can also make money while the dollar is going down. So that's why that makes trading makes trading to be pandemic proof business, because you can make money while the market goes down. Also, you can make money while the market goes up. Also, stock market. Do you want me to explain about the stock market as well? Okay.
Yes.
The stock market is when we buy shares of companies. For example, a big company like Amazon, they come to the market, they want to raise money. So what they do, they sell part of their company, and we call it shares. They sell their shares. It's quite expensive to buy and also risky to buy one company share, but very simple if I want to explain it to you, is we buy part of a company, and that company grows. They work really hard as a business owner. They make their business grow, and when their business grow, the value of their share goes up, and we make profit while the value of share goes up. We don't, as a professional trader, we don't go and just buy Amazon stock or Tesla stock, because it's quite risky. If that company suddenly goes bust, you lose all your money. For that reason, we invest in a basket of shares which we create, and we teach in our stock and industry days. We spend 2 days to explain this stuff. You're getting too close to me. I don't like it. That's it? Any other question?
And what got you into it?
What got me into it? Well, I used to, 1999, I just got married, and
Oh,
as
the
soon as I got
Westminster
married,
Safari Park.
you was in Safari Park. Well, then as soon as I got married, I lost my house because I was living in a council house, and council didn't let us stay in that house because I got married. It says only for you, not for your wife with you. So we had to stay in the train stations for a few weeks until I found a job. Finally, I found a job as a delivery boy.
Doctor?
Then I became a taxi driver. And then I became a driving instructor, and I thought I'm making a lot of money. But after 16, 17 years of being a driving instructor, I realized I work really hard, long hours, and still as soon as I have a day off, I'm not making no money. What if I get sick and I can't make money? What's going to happen to my family? I had to do some research to find out what else is out there. And I realized investing is the best way. So I earned the money from driving school. Then I invest the money inside the stock market, inside the currency market, until it got to the point where the money started working harder for me inside the market, bringing profit for me. So that helped me to not to go to work anymore, because I can just live on that money which I'm earning from the market. Happy?
Oof.
And that's what the investment is. And everybody should start investing. Okay, that's enough. You're getting too close. I don't like it.